Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. So in this device you can see the lock screen wallpaper is not changing. You can see every time only one lock screen wallpaper. So I will show you how to change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. This is very simple. For this, go to settings, then tap on home screen and lock screen, then scroll down, tap on glance for Realme, then turn on this option. Okay, after that you can see the option language and categories. Tap on this one. So here you can see some categories of photos you can see here, and you can easily follow the category. According to that category it will apply on your lock screen. So here I am going to select this national. You can see you are now following national, then travel and lifestyle. Okay, now let me show you how it works. Lock the device. Now you can see the lock screen wallpaper is changing automatically each and every time it is changing. So simply in this way you can change the lock screen wallpaper automatically in this device. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.